Hello, in this video we'll show you how to reset the oil service interval on Citroen DS5. The oil service interval is usually shown on the right side of the screen on the dashboard. In my case it's not showing because it doesn't need service yet, but yet I'm going to show you how to reset it. To reset the oil service interval, first we're going to turn the ignition off and we're going to press and hold that button just underneath the right screen. Press and hold the button while we press the ignition on, and you can see the countdown is going from 10 to 0. After it goes down to 0, now you can let go of the button there, and that's how you reset the oil service interval on Citroen DS5. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.